In this video, we'll show you a new update that saves even more time and gives you greater flexibility in open pit design. It focuses on one of the most challenging parts of the process, building haul roads. Let's go step by step. First, as usual, we generate contours from the benches and the wireframe. Then we quickly clean up the lines and prepare them for accurate construction by removing open contours and deleting any lines with areas too small for mining. Next, we select only the unique lines and assign them to the correct benches with a single click. Each line can still be refined individually when needed, and the basic editing commands remain available at every stage of the workflow. Now let's move to the road design. We'll start with two roads that need to connect at one specific bench. If needed, you can manually stop a road from continuing at any point. Then we'll add a third road and place a switchback wherever the design requires it. And this is where the new updates begin. We've added the ability to define the length of the smoothing section after a switchback. This helps you fit a switchback into different pit conditions and create a smoother, more accurate connection with other pit elements. The required length can be set directly in the ramps table. Next, we'll add another road so that it starts on the same bench as the switchback, creating intersections between the two roads. Then we run the road reconciliation command. The algorithm automatically detects the exact intersection points and places switchbacks as close to them as possible. And if the switchback exits slightly overlap, you only need to adjust the road's starting point without changing the ramp parameters. And that's how we get a new feature: automatic road reconciliation. The next update helps you stay fully in control of the design process. We've added undo and redo functionality, together with an auto-recalculation toggle. Now you can easily return to earlier construction stages and repeat your latest actions whenever needed. The module also stores the settings exactly as they were at the moment of calculation. So yes, the workflow is now even more convenient. And finally, we've added one more road reconciliation option that can remove the need for manual adjustment in additional cases. The connection command can now join a switchback on one bench with the start of another road. You can enable this option with a checkbox wherever it is needed, either at the start of the new road or on a ramp that ends on the same bench as that road. This covers more design scenarios and helps save both time and effort. As you can see, creating an open pit design in K-Mine keeps getting easier. Try the new tools and send us your feedback.